Hi, I'm Tavis Callard from the Tavis Callard team at Aura Property, and today I'm here to present to you a beautiful property situated on this magnificent corner block, just under 400 square metres, in the very sought after Kawana Forest pocket of Meridan Plains. This property has been fully refurbished, painted on the inside and the outside. It is in immaculate condition all the way through. It has two massive living areas, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has 2.9, maybe 3 metre ceilings downstairs, situated just across the road from probably the best park in the whole of the Meridan Plains suburbs. It is absolutely worth an inspection. The address is 1 Woombye Street in Meridan Plains. I look forward to seeing you come down soon.